Today we're going to be unboxing the Gemini 200 Delta Airlines Airbus A330-900. This is item number G2DAL968, and this particular aircraft is going to be November 401 Delta Zulu, which is going to be 3401 in Delta's fleet. So a quick look at the box real quick. It's pretty much just the standard black and gold packaging for the Delta aircraft. So in here we've got the stand, which is the normal stand that most of the heavies will come with. And then we've got the landing gear, which we'll open up and put in a little bit. Then we have the aircraft itself. So this is the 330-900, which is also known as the A330neo. And neo stands for new engine option. So this aircraft has the Rolls-Royce Trent 7000 engines. This is the fourth 330 variant in Delta's fleet. The first three would be the 200, 300, and the 302s. So these engines are very fuel efficient, and for every flight hour they burn 1,000 pounds less than the current CEO engines. So it's a huge fuel savings right there. The reason you can tell the 900 from the 200, 300, and 302 is the engines, the winglets, and then the kind of raccoon mask paint job that was pretty much like how the 350s are. So it's been a while since I've showed the collection itself. Again, I'm only collecting aircraft that I have worked on as an aircraft mechanic. So that's kind of how I choose what I get. For the most part, I have almost everything, with the exception of a handful of planes that they never make or probably never will, because a couple of them are kind of one-off aircraft. So this is pretty much almost as full as it's probably ever going to get until we get a couple new planes.